Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you do not go without subscribing. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So just go to the comment section and follow us on Telegram. You definitely do not want to miss out because we'll be putting out one or two information that will be useful for you in your trading. So go to the link in the comment section and follow us on Telegram. Now let's take a look at AUD With what I'm saying, sooner or later, guys, watch out for it. There's going to be breakouts to the upside on AUD. It will be up. It will. I think it should happen. Maybe this it should happen. Maybe let's see it next week. I can't really predict when it will happen, but what I know is that very soon there's going to be a bias, a very strong bias to the upside on AUD which will happen very soon because DXY will be falling, very very soon because we are last month we are close to we are close to the end of the year, right? So anytime soon, DXY will start acting crazy, dropping, thereby making any other pairs related to the USD to start going bullish move, simply making AUD very soon to be going bullish move. So watch out for it. But right now, market is doing something which I want you guys to pay attention to. This is one movement to the upside, right? There is a drop. If you take a look at this, markets came to this resistance level, right? You can see this is the resistance level, which I have put this line, right? Anytime market comes to this resistance level, we tend to see a rejection. You can see once market come, we had the rejection here, rejection around this level. Now market has come to this level, and guess what? We've gotten that rejection. Now, if you take a look at something, market is doing pushing up here. What does this want to look like? This wants to look like an head and shoulder pattern, whereby if it pushes up a bit, it will start dropping, right? Which we still need confirmation. We can't just assume, okay, an head and shoulder pattern will start from, because there's any possibility that AUD from like this level it will start pushing up. Absolutely, because what I'm saying, there's 50% chances that we will start pushing up on AUD and there's also 50% chances that if this AUD can push up a little bit, it will start dropping. So it is within 50-50. That is what I will advise you guys to do. So in the long run, AUD will be pushing up to the upside. It just depends on when it will start. Could it start next week or next 2 week or next 3 week? Anyway, anyone AUD will push up to the upside. But right now, there's a possibility that another shoulder pattern will be forming. Thereby, if it goes bullish a bit, it will drop. So it wants to start getting that drop, then you can go ahead and sell on AUD. Once you start getting that drop, that you feel okay, the head and shoulder pattern is playing out and it wants to start dropping, then go ahead and take that sell. If not, we should continue the movement to the upside on AUD. So I'll probably want to give you guys more updates on the Telegram channel. So make sure you follow us on Telegram so you can get the updates there.